Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am going to be doing a tutorial and content every single week for you guys. I'm going to upload weekly. So make sure you subscribe. I've reopened my book so that I can get as much good content as possible for you guys. We're starting the first week off doing this brow lamination, and I am using our brow lamination kit. Every kit is different when it comes to what's required, the processing times. So make sure that you look at your kit and what is required. But based off our kit that we carry, this is step one, and I've already applied it. This is the perming solution. We do not have a glue in our brow lamination kit. So if you do get it, there used to be one, we've removed it. So it's no longer there. You don't need it. I don't recommend it. You can still get the same exact results, even better in our opinion, without the glue. So move on to step two, which would be now step one, which is the perming solution. Now it's going to vary based off time for processing time, depending on your client's natural hair, like the coarseness, the thickness of it. She has really thick, coarse hairs, so we're processing the full 10 minutes. And while she's processing, I'm just kind of cleaning up her brows. I don't offer the waxing. If you do offer waxing, absolutely you can wax. You can also add a tint to this. Brow lamination is such an easy service, you guys. This takes max 30 minutes, and it's a very, very easy service to perform. Also, it's a great way to upsell and add more income as a lash artist into your pocket, because brows look good on everybody. And, the results last up to 6 weeks, 6 to 8 weeks. And everybody loves it. So this is a service that I recommend everybody offers, especially lash artists, to increase your income and give your clients something else to come back and love. Okay, now again, every kit is different, so please refer to your kit. But our kit, we apply step two, which is the fixation lotion, on top of the perming solution. Okay, some kits recommend or require you to remove step one. We apply this on top. So just get an applicator and apply it directly on top of the perming solution. And again, this is going to process the same time as the step one. So we're going to apply this on there, and then I'm going to allow this to process for 10 minutes as well to get the most. Now I am penetrating deeply, so I am putting a significant amount on there because her hair is so coarse. I want it to penetrate to get the max results. Now, I am not brushing these I'm not brushing these eyebrow hairs into place of where I want them to sit at the very end. You do not need to. You can manipulate these hairs after the process is over. You don't have to put them in that place while you're doing this. If you see some girls doing a brow lamination, they will move the hairs into place while the solution is on that. Again, you don't have to do that to get the results. I'll show you at the end what I mean. But yeah, just apply, use a clean applicator on each eyebrow. Don't double dip into your product. And then let this process for the time frame depending on your client's hairs. There's thin, there's coarse, and then there's like regular. So we're going to let this do its thing. This kit only requires 3 steps, so it's very quick, very easy. I'm going to remove and look at how nicely the hairs are laying. Now, I'm recommending to her specifically that she allows her natural eyebrows to grow, that we don't want to see a lot of the smaller hairs from the plucking or the waxing. I want full brows for her, so she is actually going to let her brows grow out, which is why we didn't clean them up so much. And then we did not do a tint, but I believe that we will do next time. So you can add tint to this. You can wax, you can shape, you can do whatever you want, you guys. But these hairs are going to stay wherever you want them to go after the service. And it lasts up to 6 to 8 weeks, which I love. So here I am actually using a makeup remover wipe, and I'm cleaning off all of the product that we had put on her brows. We don't want to leave that on there because we don't want to over process. Once step 1 and step 2 are done, clean it. You can use a cleanser of some sort. I am using, again, a makeup removing wipe to get all that extra stuff off her brows so they stop processing. And then the very last step is the nutritious oil. This is going to repair the bond of the hairs because we did just perm them, not bleach them. So we want to give them nutrition and we want to just, apply this oil. Now this oil is recommended to stay on for like 8 to 10 minutes. However, I put it on and then I tell the client to leave it on for that amount of time and they can remove it if they want to, or they can leave it if they also want to. It's totally up to them, but make sure you do apply that. And this is the before and after, you guys. She is so gorgeous. She has the most amazing eyes, which we're going to do a lash set on her soon. But this is before. She did have them penciled in, which we removed, so she can go back and pencil. But this is the after, you guys. So bomb.